Digital education is growing rapidly, but educators are struggling to keep up with the increasing number of tasks and learner requests. Alphalearn AI supports content creation, personalized learning guidance, and learning analytics. Educators decide exactly which tasks should be handled by their AI agents. AI tutors guide learners individually throughout their courses and adapt their responses based on each learner's progress. Responses are based on course content and the additional knowledge provided by the educator. If an AI tutor cannot find the right answer within the available knowledge base, the request can be forwarded directly to the responsible educator. The Alphalearn Portal becomes the central AI-powered workspace for educators. All learner questions, learning activities, and support requests are brought together in one place. Educators can manage messages, identify learners who need support, and generate personalized exercises with AI. Generated content can be reviewed, edited, and approved before being sent to individual learners or entire Moodle courses. For the first time, this creates an interactive connection between educators, learners, and AI-powered learning support. While Moodle remains the course platform, the Alphalearn Portal becomes the central dashboard for AI tutors, learning interactions, and personalized support. Get started today.